What's going on, YouTubers? What you're looking at is a Mikuni VM12 carburetor. So if you have, one of these little mini bikes, little 50cc mini bikes that has one of these carburetors, you're wondering how in the world do I have a pod style air filter on this carburetor? Because this carburetor does not have a typical mount for for a pod style filter like this. If you have the Suzuki LT-A50 or the Suzuki JR50, it's got a hideous air filter set up on it. Everyone complains about it, but not many people have been able to do anything about it. So I have done something about it. You can get this, this pod style filter, UNI filters type. You can get that thing pretty much anywhere. It's got the little angle going on it there. But the way this was done, I'll pull the filter off and show you. Alright. The issue is this filter in normal state does not have a way to mount a pod style filter to it. Okay, so you can see how that is. This is obviously aftermarket what I've done right here. Okay, I'm going to take that off and show you and tell you exactly what it is. Okay, so you notice that's the usual air filter mount right there, which you can pretty much put nothing on it except for the OEM air box, which is pretty hideous. So you can get these on anywhere online. These, now I've had to modify it, as you can see. The holes there I've had to modify very slightly just with a standard drill, but this is made of aluminum, so it's very easy to drill through these holes to make it fit up with the mounting holes right there on the carb. Okay, so if you just go on eBay or whatever and look up scooter air filter mount or air filter adapter, or one for one of those GoPeds, from years ago, you can get this along with the air filter, mind you. You can get all this in one set. You'll just have to modify the hole there just a bit. Any drill can do it, so that it can line up on the holes, because this is threaded back here, so you got to be able to mount this here, be able to screw it in place, with any, you can get these little screws pretty much anywhere also. Then you can mount this adapter to the back of the carburetor so that you can mount any pod style, uni style air filter to it. Okay, I can put a link on it, but if you just search for GoPed air filter mount or scooter air filter mount, this thing is about 44 millimeters diameter across here, because I tried to find one that was an exact match for this and I just couldn't find anything. So this is as close as I could find, and all I had to do was do a very slight modification to the holes right there. It took only minutes to do it. Okay, put that boy right there, screw it down. You can put a gasket behind there also, so that it can have a gasket to it. Then you can put any 44 millimeter pod style filter you want on the doggone thing. So this is a Mikuni VM12. It comes on tons of different mini bikes and scooters and mini ATVs and whatnot, and that's all there is to it. So yeah, look up scooter air filter mount or GoPed air filter mount or air filter bracket. There's all kinds of terminology you can do. You'll find it. It'll look basically like this, and just modify it. Works beautifully. Now I haven't got the bike going yet, but I will. I just wanted to get this done before I put everything back together. Anywho, check out our videos on the Suzuki LT-A50. We are doing a little restoration project on it and upgrades and whatnot, and this is part of it. So check out our other videos. We always got something going on. Like, subscribe, follow, blah, blah, blah. We'll see y'all.